Most guys think they cannot flirt with women unless they talk fast and spew out all the rehearsed pickup lines in the world. They think that if they keep talking, women will notice them more, but the opposite happens. Girls turn into ice queens and stop you in your tracks by the time you get to pickup line number 10. How to attract a girl without saying anything using the unknown secrets of speechless seduction. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button for more practical and social psychology videos like this. And if you like the content of this video, kindly give it a like. Let's begin. 1. Be an alpha male. An alpha male will win more attention in comparison to beta male. To become one, you must definitely stand out. Be different. Become a leader in your group by leading the conversation and having a say on every topic. By having this kind of attitude, people will automatically see you as an authority and seek out your company. Consequently, you will be noticed by all of the women around and they would try to get into your company. 2. Be clean and look presentable. Imagine a person who hasn't had a shower for a couple of days. Looks like they slept with their clothes on and seems to find deodorant completely alien concept. Would you be attracted to such an individual? You might be after having a conversation with them. But that exchanges probably won't even go down if you've been spooked away. That's why it is so important to look after your personal hygiene. 3. Divide your attention among several women. Giving too much attention can harm you socially. If you concentrate on one girl, you won't be able to attract the women around you. Entertain and dazzle many women at any given time. Women tend to compete with each other to get a man's undivided attention, and you have to keep your attention the prize they have to win. 4. Play your hand. No matter what you're doing, always seek to be viewed as open or approachable. And one easy way to do that is to have your palms exposed, even just a little bit. 4. Develop social proof. Being around other women is a turn on. Sure, women would want you to be attentive to them exclusively, but initially, they must see you with other beautiful girls before they talk to you. You see, women want something that other girls have. The next time you go to a party, spend some time talking to gorgeous ladies. The other girls around you will be observing your actions and would judge you based on how well you seem to jive with the girls you talk to. These 5 simple steps will help you get that high social status you need to get girls. Even without saying anything, your actions will translate as highly social. Being attractive means using escalation techniques to magnify that attraction you created in women. These secrets will play a big role in building deep rapport and making women do what you want. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical and social psychology videos like this. Thanks for watching.